In December, I made just shy of $25,000. I was welcome inside the Shopify Masterclass course.
I was out there on a hustle, I know you remember me. Now I'm sleeping on the floor, I got some money finally. Mama don't worry, mama don't worry.
Hey guys, Amber with Lifestyle Recharge. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Kevin David Ninja Masterclass course. If you guys don't know, in the month of December I made just shy of $25,000. So I want to talk to you guys about that, my experience with the course, my experience with Kevin, the pros and the cons of the course, and what you can kind of expect. So I guess it started off, like I said, in December, I made just shy of $25,000. I was like $157 and some change away, but I'm never going to complain about that. 2 months ago, I couldn't even afford to put gas in my car. I was at a job I hated. Every day on lunch break, I'd be in my car just crying because I hated the way my life was going. I hated being at 9 to 5. The quality of life just wasn't there, and it just wasn't working out for me. And so, I decided I had to make a change, and I know you guys are watching this video because you guys are ready to make that same change, and you want to make sure that you're making a good investment in yourself and a good investment in this course. And so I want to just talk about that course with you guys for a little bit, talk about Kevin. So Kevin is, I think, a lot different than is a lot different than these gurus. He's not one of those people who's just putting out a course, just to make money and then ditching you guys and not trying to help you guys succeed. You guys are going to get access to this private Facebook group where Kevin is in there every single day. The members in that group want to help you succeed. You're going to make friends for life in that course. You're going to have direct access to Kevin. And when I tell you guys, Kevin literally works 24/7. Like, he literally works 24/7. It wouldn't even be a stretch to say that, right? Kevin is always online. He's always answering questions. Like, he wants to see you guys succeed. He doesn't want to, he's not there to abandon you, and that's, he's never going to do that. He wants to see each and every one of his students succeed. And I think that's something you need when you're getting a course, right? That, especially when you're taking a leap of faith and you're taking a jump in entrepreneurship, into e-commerce, into building an online business, right? Sometimes you just need someone to hold your hand, and Kevin David is that person. Alongside his amazing course, I can't say enough about this course, and I know it sounds like I really can't say enough about this course. It's structured from A to Z, right? You're going to learn everything that you need to learn. Kevin really breaks down product research, how to find profitable niches, how to find profitable products, how to identify them, right? How to find suppliers, how to get the fastest shipping times, right? How to do Facebook ads, how to find Instagram influencers, right? Like, this course is jam-packed with knowledge, right? All this stuff that's going to scale your business to unimaginable places, right? He even has parts of the course about how to make a print-on-demand empire, which I'm going to show you guys inside of the course soon. So make sure you guys are staying to the end. But there's just so much information in the course, and he does it and he explains it so well. He explains it in a way where you actually really get it and you actually understand it. Again, like, from A to Z, that information is there to help you guys succeed and make a crazy Shopify dropshipping empire. I did it myself. Last month I made almost $25,000, right? Like, that's insane. And I'm gonna say it, like, from the bottom of my heart, like, Kevin changed my life, and I love him so much, right? Like, he changed my life. I literally couldn't even afford to put gas in my car. I didn't know how I was gonna pay my bills, how I was gonna make ends meet. And like, now going into 2018, I don't have to worry about that. And so in 2018, I want you guys, who are in the same place as me, who have some of the same problems as me, I want you guys to be able to change your life. And I think this course is it. So I'm gonna promote this course as long as I can, forever as I can, because I really believe in this course. I really believe in what it's going to do for you guys and your businesses and your life. The content is amazing. It's very valuable, a lot of information, because you have to understand, Kevin himself is a 6-figure Shopify dropshipper, and when you get to those levels, you're learning a lot of stuff that some people don't get. You're making mistakes that some people don't make, and you're succeeding in ways that some people don't succeed. And so on that journey to 0 to 6 figures, you learn so much, and all that is kind of relayed in this course. You can tell how knowledgeable Kevin is, and it really comes off in that course, right? So right, those are pros of the course. There are some cons, I think, of the course, and I think one of those cons is that it's not a magic maker, right? It's not something that's going to make you an overnight success. It's not something that's going to put you put thousands of dollars in your bank account overnight. And is that a real con? No, but it's a con for some people because that's what they're looking for. They're looking for something that they can get put up. They can get today, and tomorrow they're gonna have $10,000 in the bank account, and all their problems are gonna be gone. Right? That's not this course. You have to put the work in yourself. You have to sit in front of the computer. You have to take notes. You have to really absorb the information that Kevin is giving you that's in this course, and then you have to go apply it and put in the effort and the time. Right? If you're not willing to do that, this course isn't for you. Don't even get the course. Don't even waste your money. Don't waste that capital. Go do something else, because this course is not going to work for you. I'm telling you right now, if you don't put the time and the effort into this course is not going to do anything for you, right? Because you're going to get this course and you're going to wait for the magic to happen, and then 2019 is going to come and you're going to be in the exact same spot as you are right now, okay? If you want to make change in your life, you have to take that action and you have to make that decision yourself, right? So that's a con of the course, right? It's not a magic worker, right? You have to back that course and back the information that you get with time, effort, and hard work. Another con of this course is I think that some of the information is basic, okay? And I want you guys to understand that because of some information is basic, that doesn't mean that this course isn't a good course. Because understand, in order to get to 6 figures, you have to make 1 sale first. So in order to get 1,000 sales or 2,000, 5,000 sales, you still have to make your first sale. And to make your first sale, you have to nail down the basics. And I know some people hate that. It's like they only want the advanced tips, they only want the advanced methods, and they just want to skip the basics, right? You can't skip the basics. You can't. There's no possible way. Right? You're never going to succeed skipping the basics. So is that a con of the course? I don't really think it's a con, but there are basics, right? There's some stuff you can find online already, but there's a lot of information that people aren't talking about. There's a lot of expertise and knowledge and that you're not going to get Google searching online. So if that's a con, there are some basic videos, some things that you can find online right now, but the course is advanced and it's going to change your life, I promise. Another thing I want to talk about is the price point. So the price point of the course is kind of high. It's $997, right? And so that is a con. However, there is a promo code which is Ninja500, which is going to take $500 off of that course, which makes it, I think, $497. I don't think, it's easy math. But it's gonna take $500 off the course, and I think that's the home run right there, right? You get a course that's gonna make you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for $500, right? And so I'm gonna take you guys actually inside of the course so that you guys can see exactly what you're gonna get, exactly what the course is like. So make sure you guys stay tuned in this next cut. What's up, guys? Welcome inside the Shopify Masterclass course. I want to kind of just go over the modules with you guys, talk to you guys about what's inside them. Unfortunately, Kevin would probably kill me if I showed you everything that was in these modules, but I do want to talk about it, and I do want to talk about the bonus module because this is a big part of the almost $25,000 I made in December, right? So module 1 is all about finding a product to sell on Shopify, right? And your product is just as important as anything else, right? That's something that you don't want to rush. You really want to take your time and find products that people want to buy, right? Because no matter how good your marketing is, no matter how good your ads, your campaigns, your product page, your description, whatever, if you don't have a good product, it doesn't matter because no one's going to buy it. So module 1 is probably, module 1 and module 4 are my favorite modules. But module 1 is probably the most important out of this whole course. Finding a good product to sell, finding something that's going to make you a lot of money, okay? So the next module is module 2, which is about drop shipping suppliers, right? So in this module, Kevin is, laying out how to find the best suppliers, giving you templates to contact them, showing you how to get faster shipping times, right? And just taking out all the confusion of, finding a supplier, right? And communicating with the supplier that's in a different country, right? Because a lot of times you don't have experience doing that, communicating from here in America to someone in China, right? There are some language barriers and things like that, and things that you need to be aware of and know. And this module does exactly that. Does a great job of explaining it and taking away the confusion and really giving you an idea of how everything works and how you should move about it. The next one is the Shopify store optimization, right? This is also another big part of making money on Shopify, optimizing your store, right? Optimizing your pictures, optimizing your actual store, optimizing your product descriptions. And so in here, even SEO, right? Google, Google searches. So in this module, that's exactly what goes on in here. That's exactly what Kevin discusses, is optimizing your store, optimizing your product descriptions the best way, optimizing your pictures, optimizing in the back end, right? Everything to make sure that your store gets seen, and then also when it gets seen, you're making money and you're making sales. So that's what module 3 is all about. Module 4 is my favorite module. Okay, module 4 is the marketing module, talking about influencers, Facebook ads. And I will tell you, in this marketing module, Kevin gets so in depth with Facebook ads, right? That's probably some of the most in depth things in this course, besides the product research module. So in depth with Facebook marketing and Facebook ads. Not only is this going to benefit you right now in your Shopify store, but this is also going to benefit you years down the road, next year, when you want to start your own business and you need to market. Your understanding and knowledge of Facebook ads is going to skyrocket you past your competition, because a lot of this people don't understand. People are confused by Facebook ads, so people are avoiding them altogether. And this module is going to take the confusion out of all of it. I'm also going to be talking about Instagram influencers and a lot more. Now, the next one, module 5, is scaling and expansion. That's kind of like I talked about, right? Getting 10,000 sales. Yes, you still have to get your first sale, and then once you get your first sale, you need to keep scaling and expanding. You're going to keep scaling and expanding, and this module talks all about that, shows you exactly how to do that in a smooth transition, properly, so that you're not messing up the progress that you've already made. And this is also a really good module, right? It's super exciting. Everything that's in this course is super exciting. If you're not already in this course, you should be super excited. All of these modules are so in depth. This course is so in depth. It's gonna change your life, and it's gonna help you to create a Shopify empire, online business, e-commerce empire that makes thousands of dollars a month, right? And so we also have a Shopify Ninja Masterclass mini course, a little mini course, kind of a mini version of this, that you can take. It's not, nothing crazy, but 1 through 5, this, and then you also have the bonuses. Okay, so the bonuses: trending niches for this coming year and how to make a huge profit from them, how to create a made-on-demand t-shirt empire, how to use ClickFunnels to 10x your sales conversions with one funnel. Now, my favorite here is how to create a made-on-demand t-shirt empire, right? Print on demand. Okay, that's a big money maker on Shopify, is print on demand. Why? Because you have the ability to come in really quickly, right? Because you don't have to actually make inventory again, like Shopify. You don't actually have to make inventory. It gets printed when it's purchased, right? And this allows you to put designs, quotes, sayings, whatever on t-shirts, right? And sell them. So, this is a place where you want to catch trends. And again, this is something that Kevin's going to talk about, catching trends, right? So like Donald Trump or Star Wars, like those would have been trends that you would have caught, right? So earlier when Star Wars first came out, if print on demand was around, right? That movie came out, you hear a buzz about it, people are already talking about it, you go ahead and jump the gun, put out images, text, etc. about Star Wars and sell them and target them to that market. And then again, like politics, right? Holiday related things, Santa, Christmas sweaters, right? All that is print on demand, t-shirt empires, all talked about in this bonus module. So that's the bonus module, and that brings us to the end of the Shopify Ninja Masterclass course, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope this helped you guys make your decisions. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Find me on social media. Remember, there's daily videos on this channel. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.
I've been going hard, I ain't got no option. I've been moving on the low, cause these niggas plotting. Cause a nigga popping. Pull up on him cause he with that talking. I ain't with that talking.